for station 1, you're starting with the same routine that you did last time. You're going to have this paper. You're going to complete one of your 15-minute sessions just like you normally do. And as you work, you are going to record any words that you had to restudy or that were new to you. And those words are the ones that take you to this study page. So you're going to take the time to just jot down very quickly any of the words that you miss. You can cross this part off of your page. We were going to do this when we did stations last week, and we bumped it for a week, and these were words that went with our other Achieve articles. So you don't need to do that. So once you have your 15 minutes done, making sure you do it to the best of your ability, that you get good accuracy, that you're studying your words, using headphones, watching the videos. Then you're going to pick 4 of your words that you missed. So my word was animated, so I wrote that word here. And then I'm going to practice breaking it down. And if you're not sure how to break it down, you can always go back over here. I'm going to give you a little hint. If it's a prefix, you're going to see a little hyphen right here because it'll tell you that you can add it to the beginning of a word. If it's a suffix, it has the hyphen here, so you can add it to the end of a word. So if it doesn't have either, that means it's a root, and we're not going to circle it. We're going to try breaking it down by syllable. So when I come over here, I have, the first syllable is an, the second syllable is im, and then I've got the suffix ate and ed, animated. I'm going to circle my ed, and I'm going to circle at, and ate. Actually, ate and ed kind of run together, but because they both, one ends with an e and one starts with an e, to spell it, we just have to drop one of them. Then I'm going to underline my A and my I because those are my vowel sounds. I'm going to go back in here and pick one of the synonyms or one of the context clues that helps me know what animated means, which is lively. After I've done this for 4 different words, I'm going to come down here and it says choose one word and write an original sentence starting with a dependent clause. So a dependent clause has to have a subordinating conjunction at the beginning. So I made a list of them here to help you, but you have these in your notebook as well. And in order to be a dependent clause, it's got to have a subject and a verb after it. So I'm going to do my sentence is with animated. After Mrs. Culleton gave an animated description of the book, I couldn't wait to read it. So I've got a subject, Mrs. Culleton. Gave is a verb. Because it's at the beginning of the sentence, I have to put a comma there. Okay? And then when you're done, you can go ahead and turn it in and use the rest of the time to silent read.